In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add emoji stickers on your videos in Filmora. So if you want to spice up your video, you can also do this by adding emojis, and this will make your video more stunning. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, to do this, it is quite simple. Just add your video on your timeline and then head over to this stickers option. Now, if you click on it, you can see we have quite a number of stickers that are available and you can choose from them. Now you can see we have an emoji here. If this is what you want, you can go ahead and click on it, but you can also get a number or a variety of emojis by clicking on emoji here. You can see under stickers we have various categories, and under emojis we have quite a number of emoji stickers that you can choose from. Now go through this list and identify the emoji that you want. Once you have identified it, go ahead and download, and you can see it has been downloaded. To add it on the timeline, go ahead and click on this plus to add to project, and it will be added. Now all you need to do is to go ahead and move it where you want to be added, and if you want it to be added throughout the whole video, you can just drag it so that it is the length of your video like that, and it will be added. Now you can see the emoji has been added, but the problem is it is quite big. To resize it, just head over to it here and then click on it, and you can resize it the size that you wish, and then you can also move it wherever you want. So if you wish to duplicate it or to add several of them, you can still do so by adding another emoji here. Then we shall also go ahead and reduce its size and then move it to the specific spot like that. And now our emojis have been added, and look at that, very nice. So that's how you can add emojis on your videos in Filmora. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.